Hello everyone, my name is Pratik Mohan Gardi and I am belong to the Baramati in the Pune district of Maharashtra. Recently, I have completed my bachelor degree in e-commerce and digital marketing from Savitribai Phule Pune University in year 2025. After my graduation, I was looking for a job opportunity and comes to know about Evision Technoserve through my friends. Evision Technoserve is a IT recruitment and consulting company, and then I joined Evision Technoserve as a full-time intern where I got to excellent hands-on training in IT skill like desktop support, networking, CCNA, Windows administrator, system administrator, ITIL. The trainers and mentors were very supported and guided me step by step to build my confidence and technical knowledge. I also got exposure to real-time scenarios, troubleshooting methods, and professional communication. I will thanks to Evision Technoserve for the I successfully got placed in on direct XDBS World Trade Center Pune with a good package. This was only possible because of their proper guidance, training modules, and placement support. I am very thankful to the entire Evision Technoserve team for their constant support and mentorship. I highly recommended Evision Technoserve to everyone who wants to build their strong career in IT. Thank you, Evision Technoserve. Thank you.